it's Jasmine and I'm back with another makeover. Today I'm headed over to my friend Liz's apartment. So I'm going to be working on her laundry area. She just wants to add like some shelves and some like organization things. So that was the truck. So I'm going to head over and do that. Yesterday we went, or not yesterday, last week we went shopping to grab some of the stuff like the wood, and we got some baskets from Home Goods. So I will share that footage with you and then we'll jump into the makeover. So me and Liz stopped off at the store to grab some wood. It was a super long piece, so we had to cut it in the store. Getting out my tools is kind of a hassle because I don't have like a station set up at home and I have very minimal tools. So just cutting it in the store just makes it so much easier for me. So we had them cut 65 inches, which we had measured her laundry area wall to wall. And then we had to cut the side pieces as well, which was interesting. Work your magic. She getting rowdy with the song. You know how we all have that one friend that you call that's like so down no matter what crazy idea you have? I feel like Liz is that friend for me. Drop your Liz's name in the comments if you have one. If you ever say my raps whack, Spotify money coming in, gotta stack that. Can't believe I got it out the sewer like a pack rat. Yeah, made it out the mud and the sewage. Hard times and you know I'm speaking fluent. All I had was a seed and he grew it. I was looking for the light, he let me to it. When he do it, when he do it, made it out the mud and the sewage. When he do it, when he do it, I was looking for the light, he let me. We found so many cute baskets at Home Goods, but there wasn't a lot of matching ones. So we just grabbed 2 from here and then a few from Ross, and then we were ready to start. So we just wanted to clean up the wood a little bit because there was some dings and like a VIN number on it and all of that. So we took it over to my mom so I could sand it down with my sander and then clean up the edges of the rough cuts. Now it's back to basics. You can keep your platform, homie. I'm on heaven's playlist. I came out a soldier. I'm wiser, I'm bolder. Never did it for the likes, man. I do it for the coach. I was sleeping on a park bench, now it's leather sofas. Somebody should have told you it ain't done until it's over. That's facts. Made it out the mud and the sewage. Hard times, and you know I'm speaking fluent. All I had was a seed and he grew it. I was looking for the light, he let me to it. So this is what it looked like before. All this stuff on the laundry is what she wanted me to kind of organize and get set up on the shelves. And Liz always comes through with the snap. So then we tried out our shelves. We put them in. They were 65 inches, which now we realize they actually needed to be about 64, a little bit over 64 and a half. So they were just a little bit too long, so they were not fitting in there. So we just hung up some tape where we wanted our shelves to be hung. In the meantime, while we tried to find a saw in the area so I didn't have to drive back home. Okay, that's super crooked. It's very hard to get up. I feel like this is gonna break, so should we do the highest one here? Or sure. Lower? Hello? I think I did. We're like a little bit short on the.
Short on the.
No, it's too long.
It's too long.
But I think if, do you want to?
Your name?
Jasmine.
Jasmine. David, pleasure to meet you.
Hi.
I'm just gonna hold it up, see what happens. Yeah.
It's a little, yeah.
Top of me, I was
Still there.
Hey.
It reminds
He
me
made
of
his own like box shed.
Oh my
I'm like, what are we gonna do with it?
Will you have your cake?
Yeah.
We're going to cut the wood. Oh, look, a work table. It is today. Yeah, we should have a party.
I don't know if they'll ever see this video, but shout out to David and Kathy for saving the day. So we went back to Liz's apartment afterwards and we just pre-drilled some holes in the side brackets that we were going to use. About 3 inches from each side, we marked a little dash and then we drilled our holes.
The center of
The center of the stud. So we repeated the same process with the scrap wood from the cuts that David made off of the shelf to use these as little supports for the middle of the shelf. So now we're going to start styling and organizing. She had these canisters, which I believe she said she found at the 99-cent store. So we're going to use them to store her pods. If you don't like the way the color looks, you could also just get like white pods or clear pods, or use canisters that aren't clear to hide your pods, like a nice brass or wood or something like that. I love removing things out of the packaging, especially when the packaging is really like bright and obnoxious, because I just feel like it elevates the look of things, especially using baskets. We grabbed these for $7.99 at Ross, and we can just use them for organizing some of her items so they're not just out, you know, visible, but they're cute and organized in baskets. She also wanted to store these washcloths and some towels up there, and then also her extra soaps and refill stuff we put into a basket as well so it could be hidden. Okay, let me geek out for a second. We found this really cute basket for $6.99 at HomeGoods, and I wanted to keep her like really cute looking laundry stuff in here because it's aesthetically pleasing and I could just put it on display. So I grabbed these out of the box because the box was orange, and I put them into a Ziploc bag that was clear. I'm sure there's other cute ways you can display these, but this is what we had, so we went with it. So we found this at HomeGoods as well. It was $24.99. We both fell in love with it, so we knew we had to get it for her space. It was the most expensive individual piece that we got, but we both really loved it and thought it was worth it. And then I grabbed a couple things from my stash, this plant and a couple picture frames that I thought would look great in this space. The little laundry print that's on the shelf, the black and white one, was something that she had already had, that she had in mind for this space, so we put it in there as well. And then this rug was from HomeGoods. It was $19.99. Thanks so much for watching. I'm headed home for the night. We are done. Liz loves the way that it turned out. Let me know what you guys think about it. If you liked this video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button. And if you didn't, just don't. I'm just kidding. Love you guys. Keep spreading the love and light as always. And I will catch you on the next one.